What is a skiing?
Skiing. It's not a knife.
He's got it in
a
one!
knife, it
He's
was.
got it in one! He's done it! He's
Go
All right, we're here with Thomas from Below the Neck. Thomas, Kim out of Hashiv, how are you?
I'm absolutely grand. How are you?
You're absolutely
Absolutely
grand.
grand.
Good, we're doing good. We're at the Dunruin Festival in Kylakin. Excited to see you guys tonight. All right, so we're gonna play some. So Thomas, with your wide and vast array of Gaelic phrases,
Huge knowledge.
what is ooh?
Food.
It's food, yeah.
It's food. It's not cow, it's not beef.
But you're in the right sort of area though. That's sort of like farmyard produce.
Cheese.
No, that'd be kasha.
It's not going to be milk.
Nope, that would be bonya or banya, depending on where you're from.
It's not wheat.
Weed.
Wheat.
Wheat, neither. Is there a Gaelic word for weed? Clearly I should have done more research. So ooh is an egg.
Ah, okay.
What is a skiing?
Skiing. It's not a knife.
He's got it
There's
in
a
one!
knife, it
He's
was.
got it in one! He's done it! He's
Go on,
How did that? Was it
Ski
just
and do.
ski and do? Yes. So this is, of course, the object that you wear at a Scottish wedding that you put in your socks. Last word, then, we are going to go for an animal. What is a mook?
It's not going to be cow.
It's not a cow, no.
Nah.
What's mook giving you?
I thought it was giving me cow.
That would be bow.
Land animal.
Yes.
Farm animal.
Yes.
Pet.
Depends on where you live.
Give me pig.
It's a pig.
Yeah.
You've done it. You've done it.
Man.
Mook is pig. And even better, if you wanted to talk about a whale, that is a mookmara, which is a pig of the sea.
A pig. Right. So the whale is the pig.
The
of
whale
sea.
is the pig of the sea.
That's so sick.
Yeah, it's like-
That's actually awesome.
Tapalet, which is thank you. Tapalet.
Tapale.
Tapalet. Oh, you've got a natural. Natara. Cheers,
Peace.